One of the men charged in the murder of Crystal Rogers wants his trial delayed. WDRB's Dalton Godby was in court just a short time ago. Dalton, what have you learned?
Well, Val, by the end of the week, Judge Charles Sims says he will have a ruling on whether or not more time is needed to test two hairs that were found in Crystal Rogers' car. That ruling will determine whether or not the May 27th trial will be pushed back for Steve Lawson. A motion filed in March requested that the trial be delayed for additional sampling on those two hairs. The Kentucky State Police Lab told prosecutors in 2016 that it had taken the hairs from Rogers' car after her disappearance. The hairs were inspected by the lab and it was determined they were not similar in characteristics to Rogers' hair, according to court records. Despite admitting that he and his son Joseph were in Rogers' car after she disappeared in 2015, Steve Lawson and his attorneys want those hairs tested. The prosecutor is calling it a fishing expedition. They don't believe it's necessary.
The fact that these two samples were not tested is not because the testing is not feasible. It's because it simply was not done. The fact that it was not done previously does not now deprive Mr. Lawson of the ability to now make the request under these purely legal arguments.
What will we gain from testing these hairs versus these victims' rights to go to trial? And what are the odds that we would find something? Not only what are the odds, what is the relevance of it?
As of now, Steve Lawson's trial is still expected to begin on May 27th, but Judge Sims' ruling will determine that. And Hayden, as soon as we get it, we will bring it to you.